My name is Andy Unverferth, and I'm the Director of Marketing at Unverferth Manufacturing. At Unverferth, we manufacture agricultural equipment that can be pulled behind the tractor, such as grain carts, header transports, seed tenders, tillage equipment, fertilizer applicators, pull-type sprayers, and we also build agricultural and construction wheel systems. We offer these products through our 6 brands, which include Blue Jet, Brent, Orthman, Parker, Top Air, and Unverferth. Many dealers have inquired about GPS trackers to help manage where their inventory is located. Our header transports, for example, are often used by our dealers to move from one location to another, and tracking where these pieces of equipment are located is very important. We chose to partner with Razor Tracking because they offer the most comprehensive solution when it comes to location tracking for agricultural equipment. The integration with most OEM operation systems, such as the John Deere Ops Center, was very important to us and our dealer network. The AT230 features a robust design that was perfect for the harsh environments that our equipment operates in. Combine that with the 3-year tracking capability that is included with these GPS trackers, and it was obvious the AT230 was the right fit for us. We feel the partnership between Unverferth Manufacturing and Razor Tracking will offer our dealer network a feature-rich solution to a common problem that many dealer organizations face, which is keeping track of their equipment inventory in real time.